Have you ever gone into your fridge and stood there and say, oh my gosh, what am I going to make for dinner? Well, I'm going to show you tonight how easy it is to pick some things out of your refrigerator and make a fabulous and tasty and easy meal. Hi, I'm Kathy, and thank you for stopping by in my kitchen tonight. So I looked in the fridge and I'm like, oh, what am I gonna make? And you know, there's a lot of nights like that when you didn't prepare. But I always manage to keep a few things in the fridge that is easy. I can grab it and still make a fabulous meal. So I found some chicken sausage in the fridge. It's a tomato basil. I found a zucchini and a red bell pepper, and I have some onions, and I have garlic, and I have a pasta, and I have olive oil, and we're gonna have a wonderful meal. So let's get cooking. So in this easy pasta dish, I'm going to cut up the sausage and cut up the red bell peppers, an onion, and a zucchini. I have the pasta cooking right now. I just put in just regular spaghetti because that's what I had. I don't know if you've ever tried this chicken sausage, but there's different brands and they put a lot of seasoning in them. This is full of sun-dried tomatoes and basil, and it just looks really yummy. So let's head over to the stove. I've heated up my pan and I'm going to sprinkle in some extra virgin olive oil. I already have my spaghetti made, and then I'm going to take my garlic press and put some garlic in here. Go ahead and turn down the pan so the garlic isn't too hot. Get some garlic going in here. Yum. And you don't want to burn it, so let's turn that heat down. Next, I'm going to throw in the onions. Going. See, I already burnt the garlic in here. Got the pan a little too hot. All right, boo-boo. I'm going to dish out these onions. I'm going to start that pan over again because I don't want burnt garlic. That is not a good thing. It's always good to see a cook mess up every now and then, isn't it? Makes you feel real. All right, we'll get that out of there. Don't like burnt garlic. Not in a dish that's not supposed to have toasty garlic, but all right, let's wash this pan out and we'll be right back. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna turn this pan down on low. Let's get some garlic in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the onions in and the peppers. And a little bit of olive oil. Really got to watch that garlic in hot oil. It cooks really quick. So now we're just going to saute this. Just to cook the onions and the peppers a little bit. I like my peppers and a little bit on the crispier side than on the overcooked side. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw in the zucchini. I said this is a meal that I looked in the fridge and said, what do I have? What can I cook for dinner? And if you've got broccoli instead of zucchini, use the broccoli. If you have green bell peppers instead of the red bell peppers, use the green bell peppers. Use whatever it is that you have. Veggies and onions and garlic and some seasoning. Maybe some pasta, maybe some rice, and then if you have sausage. If you have no meat, I mean, that's okay too. It's just, I wanted to show you how simple it is to make a quick dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the sausage because the sausage has already been cooked. We'll let this all cook in here. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, just a sprinkle. And I love basil. So if I had fresh basil right now, I'd put that in there, but I'm just going to use the dry basil. Yum. And I'm going to throw in some crushed red peppers. Give it a little kick. Smells wonderful. You want to let this cook until your zucchini is a little tender. Now that the zucchini is done, you can see that it's not mushy, but it's a little softer in the center, and that's how we like it. And the peppers are nice, and everything is finished. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add another drizzle of the extra virgin olive oil, since we're not really having a sauce over the pasta. We're just going to serve this. And there we go. Let's get this on the plate and head for dinner. So here we are, this wonderful dinner. It's so easy to make, so delicious and so healthy. We're gonna try this. Oh, and I think Tao is like thinking he's gonna get some sausage, but nope. All right, this is some. Good sausage. And the zucchini. Very flavorful, very fresh. Some little spaghetti here. Very good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top and get a glass of wine, and dinner is served. I I hope you like this video. I hope you see how easy it is to make wonderful meals, and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Click on that little bell so you get notification of my next video. Thank you for visiting my kitchen today. We'll see you next time. Bye.